Don't know if you've noticed lately, but the price of gold has gone right off the charts. On Monday, gold futures settled above $1,600 an ounce for the first time ever. And Rebecca, of course, also our CBS News business and economics correspondent, conveniently seated right next to me all morning here. So we've been talking about gold, and now it's the big story today. And I guess the big question, why is gold on the rise, and has it been on the rise for so many months now?
Gold tends to rise in times of great uncertainty, and it's also a sign that people are losing trust and faith in governments and also currencies. Paper money. Paper money is one thing. It's a promise from a government to honor that money, to say this is worth something. Gold, people say, doesn't rely on that promise. It has consistently, over the span of time, gone up. However, you're thinking about that going up over the span of time, but there are moments where it also drops down. So it's not something that just goes up. It can fall back as well.
You look at those pictures, and I guess because, like you said, you can tangibly touch it. It's
you
right
can hold
there.
it.
It's right there before you. Are a lot of investors putting a lot of money in gold now? I mean, is that where you seem to see a lot of the trends moving?
The trend is moving towards putting some money, allocating some money into gold. But for anybody who's listening right now and thinking, well, wow, a lot of people on Wall Street are putting money into gold, maybe I should buy some. The reality is that on Wall Street, in general, people own, in terms of their whole portfolio, all of their savings, what they're setting aside, about 5 to 10% of that money is allocated for gold. So no one's saying, go out and buy 100% gold.
Yeah.
Don't change every single penny you have into gold.
But if you did want to get in, it's a little bit too high to probably get in now, is it not? Or
well,
would you recommend it?
It depends on who you're talking to. There are some who say yes. The one important thing is, if you want to get into gold, make sure you do it with an honorable operator who sells gold and sells legit gold. Check with the Better Business Bureau before you buy.
No infomercial gold.
That's a good point.